cbex is the most trendy platform online now. When you share crypto and many other investment platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and many other social media, you see many people talking about cbex. So if cbex should be the sure platform that will turn you to millionaire in 2025. But guys, I want you to know this. Don't let me say cbex is like MMM of our century. When you understand something about MMM, then when they came around the year, you keep on investing our money into them. But actually, for us to like start cashing out, in December, MMM started showing us shaggy then. But guys, I'm not trying to say you should not invest your money into cbex. Also, I came around to see some people even tagging me to go and record video about PCEX. I don't know that one, PCEX. But this one trading around now is cbex. So cbex should be one of the investing platform trending around. But guys, before you should try to invest your dollars, $100, even I saw a guy that invested 15,000 USDT into cbex. But guys, before you invest any of your money into cbex, try to understand this strategy. Let me say this is not my first time recording video like this. I actually record video for projects telling me to say people should take their USDT into their platform, then they get return. Many of them do something like this. Whenever you want to withdraw your money back after the return, then you find it difficult to like withdraw your money. I came around also with a video, let me say last month. Then I later deleted the video on my platform because I see this platform as like scam. The way they are chatting to me was actually like a legit platform. But whenever my people invested their money into it, then they want to withdraw their return, then this guy run away. So the only thing I can advise you now is to like invest your money, but don't invest your life saving into cbex. So guys, for me, this video may stand as intermediary between me and you. If God says you should watch this video today, this video might be the one that will save you from losing your money. I'm not actually saying you're going to lose your money, but you might lose your money to cbex. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Just let me know anything you know about cbex, or I don't even know what is new about cbex. Many other crypto platforms like that came around last year, then went away with our money. So I don't see something new about cbex. Also, go to the comment section. Let me see your reaction on that comment section. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and also click on subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Make sure you also follow me on other social media like TikTok. But guys, I dropped a signal yesterday on TikTok. Then we're in profit now. So guys, this is not my crypto channel and forex channel. This is meant for airdrop. But I actually have to come out come and say what is trending about this cbex, because I am seeing a lot of people talking about cbex and trying to invest their money into cbex. So guys, bye for now.